Today, we're diving into a major financial update that could impact your wallet. The Federal Reserve has just announced a significant interest rate cut. So, what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. Welcome to our channel, INNO Trends Fact or Fiction. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, the Fed lowered its key interest rate by 0.5 percentage point. This move sent stocks surging to all-time highs and brought some much-needed clarity to financial markets. But what does it mean for your personal finances? First, let's talk about credit card debt. With the average balance per consumer at $6,329, this rate cut could be a game-changer. Experts suggest paying down your credit to improve your score and taking advantage of lower rates for consolidation loans or balance transfer cards. Thinking about buying a home. Mortgage rates have dipped to 6.09%. If you've been waiting for the right time, now might be it. But remember, competition is heating up, so act fast if you find your dream home. Refinancing your mortgage, however, is a different story. Homeowners might be eager to lock in a lower rate, but take a beat and do the math before refinancing. Waiting for a few more cuts could save you even more. For savers, locking in a CD rate now could be a smart move. Rates are still around 5.25%, but they won't stay there for long. If you can set aside some cash, this is a great way to secure a solid return. Lastly, let's talk stocks. The recent rally suggests it's a good time to review your stock market exposure. You might max out your 401k contributions and consider increasing your investments, but don't make any drastic changes based on short-term market noise. So, there you have it. The Fed's rate cut could have a big impact on your finances. Make sure to stay informed and take advantage of the opportunities. This video is an excerpt from an article posted on September 20th, 2024 by J. McCorvey in NBC News. The article is titled, "Okay, so there was an interest rate cut. What do I do now?" And the link can be found in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please share, click the like button and subscribe for more videos on the cutting edge of healthcare innovation.